Hey guys, welcome to the Calibrate Tools channel. Do you know what happens when one of these things, a concrete mixer, gets stuck in the mix because somebody left it in there overnight? I'm not gonna say who did it, but let's just say it takes a little bit of work to get it out of there. Let's see how we can do that. See you right after this.
You try to get your drill out the thin set after you left it overnight.
Great.
You take your long screwdriver, you keep tapping at it. Let me show you how to turn this concrete back into some workable mud. Gotta get this drill out of here. Might hit a couple knuckles. Be all right.
Now, it's one thing if the mix was by itself in the bucket, but no, someone had to leave a mixer in the mix overnight. I'm not going to say who it was, but that just added to the comedy of it all.
There you go. Woo!
Fortunately, this was not cement, it was thin set. And with thin set, you do have somewhat of a chance because you can soften hardened thin set by wetting it, pouring some water on it, letting it soak for a little while. Then you can use a hammer to knock off whatever's stuck on your mixer, once you get it out, that is. Now, if this was full strength cement, it would take way more than just water to get that mixer out of there. You would probably have to break the bucket apart and use a jackhammer just to break the cement up. And that's the difference between cement and thin set. Thin set is a type of mortar, but its bonding capabilities are much less than concrete. It's a blend of cement and sand and a water retention agent. It's only really meant to attach tiles or stone on surfaces like cement or concrete. It's not used to lay bricks or hold bricks in place. That's what cement is for.
I want to be so bad today. There we go. You got a cordless drill in there?
Now, though this mix of thin set sat overnight, I doubt it was fully cured. It takes about 72 hours before you are able to even walk on freshly laid tile, which means it takes that long for the thin set underneath the tile to fully cure. So I'm pretty sure that if this mixer sat in this thin set for about 3 days, it wouldn't have been as easy to extract from the bucket. All right, so we got the mixer out, but let's see if we can salvage the thin set and get it to a workable consistency. Hi guys, I know sometimes when it comes to those home improvement projects, it can be overwhelming and you just don't know where to start. That's why I'm inviting you to go and grab this simple home improvement planner that'll take all the stress off. It works on any device with a PDF reader. You don't need any special software. You can view it online or offline. You can even print specific pages if you need. And it's so easy to share with contractors or family. You can set and track your total budget. You can break down costs by category. You can record material expenses, track contractor payments, keep digital receipts. You can compare estimated versus actual costs. And the great thing about it is you can monitor your spending in real time. And the best part about it is you can document your whole journey because it allows you to take before and after pictures for each room or area of your home or space. Guys, this is the perfect planner to get started, especially if you're beginning on your DIY journey. You want to start it off right. So go grab the Calibrate Home Improvement Planner. I'll leave the link in the description below. And you guys have a great one. Was almost half a bucket of thin set in there, guys, so it may take a minute.
Thin set. Cement might not do this, but thin set will.